Installing the micro SD card. Press the power button to power off the device. Remove the battery. Using a Torx T8 screwdriver, remove the two keypad latch screws from the inside of the battery slot. Release the keypad latches that are in the battery well by sliding them towards the bottom of the device. Note, if the keypad latches are hard to move, use a screwdriver to gently slide them towards the bottom of the device. Turn the device over so the keypad is visible. Using a Torx T8 screwdriver, remove the two keypad assembly screws from the top of the keypad. Lift the keypad from the device to remove it. Slide the micro SD card holder to the open position. Lift the micro SD card holder. Insert the micro SD card into the card holder door, ensuring that the card slides into the holding tabs on each side of the door. Close the micro SD card holder door and slide the door to the lock position. Align the keypad with the device. Using a Torx T8 screwdriver, secure the keypad to the device using the two screws. Turn the device over so the keypad latches are visible. Slide the two keypad latches towards the top of the device. Using the Torx T8 screwdriver, replace the two keypad latch screws inside the battery slot. Push the battery into the battery slot. Press the battery in firmly. Press the power button to turn on the device. If the device was on when the old keyboard was removed, power cycle the device to allow it to detect the micro SD card or the new keyboard.